Yarmazaha inside the Tolon constituency. Okay, we get details on that, God willing, tomorrow. The Labna studio mapune, can your microphone the ma? Umpunyala yezon da selongo, the main Abdel Basit culture pohayen yutaba. Now would I know la catarama, attend the catarano. Atendele ma katara jindi jia kan lembo ma da fu gakati en lamna ka sahala kane katabutu tole drana mosugo pam haltena mama ngara studio mo puno course ma da ya halne zongo du commence ma nkongo nchanti reactor to it because they keep asking why ka interview ma kare na it was just a technical problem kare da nan kalati ma pi ka saham de lati ma ti en kana kati ndi le lamna ma kare da bato nan venyela nga so zongo te kubor meneti in pele la yeto alma pun ba dinan karanyala zungo ka ba wum the program it is very simple antuti ni yel shanga danan ya some few months ago kaman chira shaman ko bono kare danan ka pa yele to bla bon te revisit la yeto ama just because of issue shanga danan ma one was affected and danan very very emotional so to bon te ni yukura and but dilema la bukata ne danda dishaba be danda naham shabma kata mirbatin yanya hankal din kaban nan yel din kaban yere pune mal budin kaban yere pune de tam ne niveau yungong da jala ngom beri pune kata bundu Abdel Basit culture actor new ko le nang de program Dagban radio nta hala Dagban radio ma program ma zo ko da nang dele kata yele yeto a kala le yeto ala ngoma sababi karadate dole karje ne porensi bagbago chang police station hal kartije ne kutune dabayi yon kata la wum ya ne kutuma case ma da nyala den nage asto wula kasariya ma da di banda di o fege pashama orani fair judgment orani fair trials wula kare da nan hala kare tan di pashale nyambela kantan kallerle yongo mi yeto a di pashale o bara bela kantan kapi yeto amana kare ti di o kamandara di o la la nyela kati yen so agba de big kantanga kadile la yeto alwa amfana to fumbarna to wum de yamang la ni shale katiza hanye nye biago matin yamal shamya apart from la ki shel ton wum de na ya be de na ba na watana ba mi di pashilon kana won tetre de table yamang there was another pending case as to wula karba pa wula kar zane tenabo mi dagba me yanda ba ho ka midi pre no guma chomi no porcelo ni ni shele to dem balama Abdel Basit nyala ngun justice studio ngopune katamino po hayen yutaba katinya nya de yen chansham Abu Basit
naam
karbe wula
deso na iko
yale ma chan wula
alhamdulillah
a quick one last Monday ma nta tanda na te interview ma da nan ya karabato nan but nuku bola da bayin ya ayelma na an mara movie shele but to ku kwamle kama maybe shabian be first time na bono kaba wumda donc nan kaba wum yeto ama I feel it okay this time.
Yeah, I'm okay.
Biago chen fe yanga
now
ni
it's
aka any psychological physical trauma or dangshele karanyala babu ma bi kutuma yeto anantale.
No.
Yeah, okay.
Real definition kunyame I'm a free man now.
Okay. So but the process ma beta any dent they beta any image as in the affecta psychological
no,
or something
no,
the kind
what
about the family ma dang ma sona biani kana mal bad emotions as to proceed and that yel shell ma.
No, I think since court man that could pass a judgment,
okay,
then cut no that necessarily needed. We are
okay.
all okay.
Okay, and everyone is okay in the family.
Sure.
All right, very well. Yes, I can confirm from you because last time I did to amatrana pale kada nang ma abanyong ne.
Sa niambo so sham kanero bon shabondo Mr. Osman shaflane shaf zanga shaftoka.
Okay.
It's unye Mr. Abdallah Osman kuchire.
Okay.
Bosomani and no shamyala women sandan that kunye affiliate kama actress and that young flan film.
Okay.
And without kunye flan.
Okay. Mba flane. Donc mi acteur sukura bien karate ni sarati ni na fon. Mba flane. Abanku bala. Abba probi ogum sam bi abba duaru.
No, biologically direct. Man kunye second born.
Oh, okay. So aminu bi la fon yene.
Yele
yele kina ko bi. Okay, very well. So fonden kibi
asat now te biala
kapayel kibi pumpon ki na beni kira pumbi
no te yila from Sawan yira kulini man.
Okay.
2020 ton kulini man ka 3 years mo.
Okay.
2021 pulo ka te kulini man.
Okay. very well. Yes, so the we are not in Jisa Hachel mo kakpail ko na bi maybe instant man na nang ba kakayil ni rin da kunya ka nang ma. All right. So mpunyal yeti envoro mo good te karle chan kalan ba katli revisit it and upon answer question in case that shabra ba to wumle kan to bal this time around kat cheka bugwan nga fane. The whole issue ma. I mean TM buhana kaman, how did it start? Wula karanang halka ti chahamang yala nila.
Okay, nsa don ko pya ma yala ni yala kaman da gwamne ngar ba ngahane anjir shele ni ka pirma nsa hare definition kubal.
Okay.
And issue ara nang la Allah redale.
Okay.
Allah dar yung around 11 to 12 midnight mbala.
Okay.
Malan program. So nda chang la program anong for a different thing.
Okay.
So like breaking news ma ko kana. So from different sources.
Okay.
Asat benda na yetelesham then.
Okay.
Like nda bien ka to call ma do kuna marafana miarme all sort of things ka attention ka in short Facebook continue ka like they share bien haka like da biam no mai sha ka obeka ta ka to zan before no ka share kunya ka attention beni ka home the gunshots.
Okay.
Police na trial no put come to that situation. So mami ni say me no be she e pa me no yi dan she and Daniel call from la nirwashon wa bara call makam pa agwa call so mami so come ban fumbe yin ka ke do abandon da anya and then take a risk from the studio trying to come home. And usually hagba minum pa to meta la tento ko be mami media work tento go be studio halente be ni ba she no kar ya yan cool time shell ma ko bi amma maybe anto position na gwa kana ko. So actually even that day after program da gbang min de da gbang FM in studio an marta na ko na nda la studio nda ba cool that day because I didn't want to take any risk maybe cause what ya tepun ya so nda ba cool that day. So then da ko kana shambala kate like report man da ko kana sham kan as benna ko yele shama and nero pamni ya sham reporting ma min ban post share on nyala kaman ami TikTokers ban post bane. It's a way of different content by featuring me. Kama soni content mbala piele ombo shama. All that words were coming out from my mouth. Really, but like G-Face kan yar termo. Kalandari nyele. So maybe ban your chance to watch the full video and maybe 10,000 evidence yang wo share they were come to kama banda nye 3-minute video shall be 7 minutes because run for about 2 hours 1 hour 20 something minutes. So program started from somewhere so but la ni ra ko la short ones I contact for the first time then I contacted on ko post the first with la ma ko en kala nda yon gwani ya gwa. He just wanted the content okubar no content ma temsibiela like ma mi no o mi la yon no so no bara batane la karian TikTok ami just mbalabe latest just mbabe mafia don't know. I contact me so like after I go show my the colorful mara sang and that to my more of the to arena kama I born explain innocence to so bebe nyele sham ben and I yele ye to ani am pile den no Sunday ma pa program on that Sunday Tuesdays. So Tuesday nkula lamna the same seat because my cannot hear G-Face ne parara dala lora tapa ka manotlan ka hear G-Face la nrai ne sa dala nrai ay para dalora ne chang to fe ka parara dala onwanyela. I believe I recovered the kulanya case. So there are no issue on the same Tuesday kan tlanka lapse program dala ne nda ko tra kama nra pun ye sham nra wonzo nda ko tra nra ye sham ye ne jinzo kalam psirti to ango inin ban wumde in kaman ha program odin to nan kiye ne yar sham obier ko kache
anda
ra yar shama la hadala nyele mamang chang la site ma kanya kama no, justice is not done about la room or betin da report shelma. This is ne chang in what is happening, and ben ya no hal video ma dwell na the by the main thing then da you senior was so pam comment I cut will Tuesday my video man there's a part kan yaran to boaso za ala be ne de ate Sunday la bright no nirba shon kabra anya kanon hay ka yar, you know, I'm a comedian in a way, and can program my talent better. It's not meant for then ye G faces or can yara this time. That is the way of style. Antonio, I'm putting on the content about young of a to trend that I do a content in a la way ma. So ne ye kaya dunga bright no kaya young cheche bar, so I tend to ne ye tenda ye shedan kamba no bana minra am pille let me kucha an quote short banra am pille and that pille me that den tonon ka ye kan zungo ye to ama walga biela kace al hardala nra nyalisha. And anto bi savman ka ne mbenang professionalism and canon research, but improving tanen la more professional in kama nyela journalist on chanting ye to akata nye karpala kan lamna ntiche ka yene kala nyele ka kote man kama ya ka yele ye kachi ama kan yin kana kama like kami nyama no ko kote ra shan ka I can be wrong anye na ya shan so kana antole njanga tinya kan wono karbana kan wono haika journalist number media ma pa kwa gana something on company ma mp o yanzu phone pa report le on boara sha can make a statement and I the between the police no okay I think ne changne the best when la police no intervene ma so ka and that time that on the live video ma verso go share that can an yele to adalan la no mponna on sorana ko bet mama changla ni mane kanye musulme hale gafara kan ya like tito nyara hujja shelba kamandra nan man sha'ama tito nyar ka fagwa ku te jawa shebe ko ku te hujja shel ka te chankara melga biya ko ka ti anan ra yalan wadalan la en labet vi konde that doesn't make la afama unprofessional or something. Didn't lay war kama didn't lay war as a mental avera. So I did, and unfortunate on my side young bambu na share because that non video share before ka Obama ka yere on fellow TikTok they should do justice to me. I send bambu na non justice say victim ma be complainant masha because Antonio first video ma share yele ka the same in will be carry yele to share about me ma. After that, then I will case can land on second video, and I know I told you come on how page ma. And chant to first video ma. Definitely I would suggest the second video for you to watch. Why then do you decide to watch not to just do justice to me? I could decide now make a decision on. But then but people so come no worship.
So in the narration it looks like first day I know the program around a chance site ma.
Like hide and Daniel breaking news. You know,
so by then you were already in the studio.
Hide and that here in General Boy Media houses. You know, like try depend on internet and even as money. Dikuwa Rambe Kaula. There are some media platforms cover big Ghana. Be reported on it. It's like I'm talking 70%. The shop be and try yele or hike shop, then ye shop logo moto no. The authentic and so from authentic sources yang agora bien. Kanye video and got to show your pictures. This is what is happening at
so that means information wa agora source from other media houses.
How can I hear agora kama I use where share. Kanela kama example G-Face mbon nkuto tuwa abanga shabet ka westi na karmano tuwa kanela no it's normal neto bento kuya ne radio presenter kan you know np maybe no ko mi so kami kama like yitwala nzala kama kan kuya uzala ka jaram ko no ngabombo but at last kan to banga G-Face oh ndo meaning you know like that time we put in yellow back and even the Bialan first video man. Ne yele yet to ashanga kari chang biela. I was saying it's biene one katen jiji shengo nta wilma bi yen senele tuma karawu kama ya romo ma biene ji face nang lama text message Daniel.
Okay.
Kama ne yara ka ba mi o ka biene radio presenter nyo mbo mi me der tuna mi o ka message kana phone ka so o we ji face ka ma bi so senele tuma ne la radio presenter ma we ji face.
Okay.
So o we ji face ma ka ne wilmo kan mi.
Okay.
So
by then the
Nabakana mine G face majority radio. So ask them chana ka cost lam chirkandana ka solan kona ai yarna G face ka bon wonun be NTV minde majority radio nang the trend la.
Okay.
The sai pa ba dinye la ma G face biel bala mi no man ngona.
Okay.
So I will video her from then I nyama come on that time for year bet from then.
So you mean there was a change of emotions,
but the same woman that
and about mizala
so
change of emotions that be
kanda nda ye to ashe dan kanda ko peka wa ti lies ma ye dan ka shahara en ka purna won hai man ne she na kai pa ban G face because G face mi no man no bra mi yo ka mi no man kama outside studios
okay
pon na won yelle busham tam abiso maybe mbroso mbondo face kan puna bin yele to awon na ko sura na nan ko bine bi akabe ya na kala lan yele because da bian gwa ma
okay
like mbo born na nye G face ka bi yele ni pa ba na I pray ka information share ko lan kana ya da wet no okay from ni sarabet they will never use to sone to judge us
of course
in the world of evidence and action so gradually about
and evidence
evidence.
Okay, fast forward so I mean okay since then be I mean under investigation because it looked like the whole story is still under investigation and I think that's okay in your side of the story but now the police is still investigating as to all right, fast forward and then with that reason was it the same reason that I'm making a report on it as a media person? Okay, la video
only this all. Okay, because I wasn't like anything charged against me lampa video and before can tam that year later actually kama video man la gba ma member man yela mansana
okay
Dinyala special zantama.
Okay.
I believe as a media personnel, Dinyala plus antama another shape ma.
Okay.
As to maybe near and valley into mamasha.
Okay.
Because maka I lem videos for the non content maybe 70% of good contents can might impact society for the so Hyman video on and cham. Tien yele aizang na meji percentage wise.
Okay.
Enforce publication the impact pattern sama 100 or 80% of people in yele me as ninja lansham because 80% of people in yele kanela be nyama ka analyze the tuna baga fon o ma ejiro abanya ka yaron then hit le garma mama ndra yele de shero.
Oh really?
Yeah, because the partner there are two videos mazara channel.
Okay.
You know every 80% of shares when share man per se now man per se apart from in live video me has single share button number press share because after that video before can but there was change of emotion car trigger man and chant non vehicle.
Okay,
so the next day I go
Lela video ma did you pull it down are you from the socials first video ma
first one ma no ndabe
so it is still on
ndabe no of this time the lankan you know drana nyela hanging issue and niro pamne yara dratune anon vehicle kana yel member ma hale yelma dan tilwonera na wasa mun kam da nan vehicle be mun da yel tamkalin lezo arani da radda bai be da bata na to yedi yama
get the proper evidence
abang ne sha so la da bai da bata ban da yedi yama man bara be le den
okay agbara la habibu
be ban yedi yama da bata one day difference fa man bara be ban yedi yama ka ba social media so bet kala den mara to
okay so apart from the negative ma chakatinyanya so simple. You were arrested because of under Yellow Shah Radio.
Yeah.
Good one there. So when kabara baga?
Date ma. I mean if yeah, if be no Astafra 30th ka video ono. On the first ka no second one ma. So therefore around if following him bala
okay, no problem. If you can't get the exact date ma. Jabo kabara baga. Don't studio kabara baga. Then na ara when the police barashi be tra early notice that police invite her at the police station or
something. Officially wrong, but because I have my official alerting on to the same lane can lane dwell my yellow ye nature and I yell and I know as I ye radio presenter me to agar so officially when you officially arrest warrant be any invitation.
Braful beta apul yika kana ka yenu ya police kana tukarashi
ha ka ko zang letter shena be ka call on call ka so nira anye call shanga ka yela you know then dan shabra labo own way so first person call ma o yela own way
okay
like I mean I yela to ango ka yele against te zalana ma to community zalana ma be te sect zalana ma ni yela ni ma sham man yelo na gba kartin brother ni yo yer sect selma man goro de ne ka kimoran
okay
la kan da yo ka yelo gba have social media maybe so na jin tago be in yelo yeto am pala sect ma be o cham ben ma min poster ban ka shaf kana te boya yil wonum lamba
okay
abang ne sha yil wonum lamba ya na yelle te yel shela so na da kuma ka min so di fila so no kuna like WhatsApp can te say na ben sha to prove that on yel shama kana send message yel ko nyama so message mbel so no try no publish ben sha mbel so kan you o DP kan yana miso so man da ko yi film angwa yendi kuno sanka nda chan first o tira shop at stadium de fila like
so apart from the Brapul meta I mean an alien notice that Bukura police station so arakujima ka police te kana at studio agbaba ka kana okay so how was it like
ngara kunya share then da kunya hint nyala maybe mami yon kama TikTok kaso kan ya da tunda wannan
bamu police ni babu draka so I mean arakubia studio ka betaka was it in the morning asba be won town after lasare braka man luri luri dwai nda kana police nda brabia in uniform be bra CIDs
and yes when ya like you see nearby there are some people hiding kan kula yara kan ya police da balan da kana that is like exaging sanya ne kwa gona something sa kun nye ko so ka so ko no boss ka bara gwa ka te na police alan ka kan ne kwa gona something like I don't know like sha ko bia ne maybe ko anyina ko ka fila no sometimes it's the rubbish no everything ka neither ne something why then this and second person you know saying here can name like embody face it's normal I'm guiding my speech or you ma gba ka so ga call the face a batim but I can't emboy can no you ma gba so like akpan buara I don't know what you want in it
and then focus on the one yesham you been frustrated with them. So I mean the police came in numbers, but I Galicia was be ya five okay can we use it to lure the buy so when that kind of was it brutal did they hit you but
no it was just the normal police approach to Ghanaians my friend man that
okay
so can you see de da yar bane da ku tian da de da shin makawan studio an ko ka ku tian da ko na tana zan ban pande da ku jira tie me shi ta se ban zan ci tan ku mai ko ma vien ya kara le we jin do da ku jira long na ka kan da is me ko ma ka pa go falen suka
na anyu
no
amino na be difila
na ko en yeta mi la de she bien to my bill and remind me the last 2 days
be in any way the whole issue ma put as in a family to the victim to to the complainant.
Oh yeah, man, yeah, because man, I didn't know what down by you pull up. So
down in
long sleeves.
Okay, all right. So fast forward, and then the purpose of the interview, the reality of the story, and then the different person he has been since going through that experience. Because most of us are still on radio, and he has not given up his
off mark before can't then very important because like or advice ma can the otete halambe dey me
okay
never between the like uncle and year the to amembene
okay
and karenye masane and like the yela ne share shambiela tabne
okay
ntuma nyela media tuma can mbe plans on the contents to feed family so I know the dagule dabjela cutting your family our partnership to ama you look for another ways and Carolina I'll call it
okay
since the exit from the media be space ma there were two and lab na first time near yele di kubaran be kawula ye to aka en ye tenirba hadi nya jir kan yan ma di en yele yan zula ba hankale I have to say something to get maybe even one single person who that unsubscribe my baby who that unfollow him can bel mo laughs na so the two and lamna media as on Facebook the two address
no of course
so that's what can address and the Raven Shaw we are not talking about yes my mama like tell me like di kubaran be kawo like the kutu MBL media
no of course because
so there's all kind like I just want to clear like ben shi akam yin agama last side of the story
very well zango explain the katinya I mean anche radio puni anye kama yuma la dabala da puni before ka case ngoma na nwa
mbenye one year
so I regret here and I could jump to start the program
I've not regretted
I regretted it okay I regretted anche radio puni okay very well so then come borma but maybe ti kanati enye issue at hand ma the whole issue shall then ma even before ka court ma na kana ka police na kana ma la issue shall then kunun ka yelle katalan labana na ma aramal yel tim ne la le to achalanda yel begin
ma even like ni shema video share bum post ni post le kan yero ba sa like video share no ko place ka ye ni blue ma hide the end back kan ye regret for the report then I will end back
so even a first report ma
like the first part so like you know come how no the election you know en nang mana kache ka call it scanner I call it that day ma ba because of the full kiloma I will full video at that day ma opinion from people that guys cigar mama so that was just the start the brush of it
so but earlier stages ma arapun by regress as to la issue shell donc non biela ka yel de biela ngoma
mamia kama how style man na ko start the report ka yulma ta kana the biggest regret time nyame Yama no woman can bounty yare to ashel. I was bored. So then kanya ka so call na kan yero pa so like call na program o be ye to alcam den yar is the consensus like can you express like call us ne yar it has nothing to do with
you or
the station can chill haka so call na no yar kan no actor directive te like nanoma to ka to pambamba to bonbon only plea be ka I suggested so how I will just some to call na ka you see that this guy is bored hello my via car we will go in here no tenari kuto no check at
okay fast forward then move from the man so from the police
they can check court so and some assurance from the family of the victim or the complainant was like maybe we'll resolve it on before the day just because bang baga Saturday Sunday man we are resolving the issue by the time came bound it's late Monday in the channel remind so in channel remind can I bombo the necessary legal people need
so first hearings in the court ma I mean was it you against the state or there was a victim
so la on ma gba kan ntamaka clear this arrest was I'm a victim carried for complainant it's Abdulbasi Kuje versus the Republic
that was the case like you against the Republic and then inciting the public against a citizen. Okay, so na achamaka seluma lersu. Okay, so now you to so 2 charges kabara charge court mapune. And then how long did this inkutyo kutumani bunku yala ngo the distance? How were you feeling? Benda kuzan achanka pa mi kamantin chansha ngona jariana kampa perma. By then baraga handcuff ngona bo.
Yeah, she kuga.
Tatene shina vagu.
Tatene shina vagu.
So what were you thinking from the court to the prisons, man?
From the court to the prisons. 2 weeks, mommy, first time brush, man. Like 2 weeks, man, come being a year and a day. 2 weeks, man, after swearing in opposition, you in the next election date.
4 years.
So, boy, now you in the election.
Bakwa do I have?
Boy, nyama, you see, cha, nisala, draw no easy.
Really?
Jago be shape. Now on the piazza when you are.
Wow.
I've been like stories living pam. I chang come on to you know, see I remember, hey, Osman, you why you have a quasi, you make black man I'm parma backward I can't make a black and yeah comes so I children it then the can that you like for this cartizan certain how okay I know incubate young incubate some man I never jail so for years you are not even being jailed remanded for 2 weeks and I pay but my la different per se about the prison yard like don't go you in the sham young na jonko pier na chen sha active ma ko bang na different film ka you na
lawo so tungu ndele shama ga shi ako experience
sha ko es kama I chen kama benda down to chen tra to surda sand pam
okay
aye no like we ako jia katim and ma I mean never man be kana be sales but I don't necessarily na cham to surda ngo be I chen na you see that no but like system is programmed.
Okay.
But me when remind okay my sudo ga I be sales man.
Oh okay.
You even go there come can you sudo share because so yela imagine ka ipan capture man so since 2017.
Ko na be remind.
So like in kwen we muntu ya I don't want to ankan so ko chan ko to waka. Ka ko nshan on the chama. So like and the pune you get to like any you get abukwen entertainer ma hale. Na ENP du time share
la bampumbiri punu ma antiri punu aranye sukamiu
banga sia bet bagba zese memben yara
no you wouldn't of course
na la ko miso ka nyeza aden nyeza then na kama banka man external friendship kama maybe phone anto ko miso ka nyela ami oni ne bai ka nan bana so ai to ben yoro anto ko eno ogwon
ashobi
ne to ko chan anto na ko akwen pian tinye so ka ta kama ka ko ban yoro ashobi
obi piomi ogo
ka broku
obi ogo karamane so come on the pune what was your biggest like your baddest day come on to the pune how many days can kalancha 2 weeks bro so baba pa 2 weeks are
no ko pa ma because from court ourselves man prison as I took land
2 weeks mbala so day den ka ku yisa ka ko regret
a life one 16 weeks.
Oh, okay. 16
weeks.
Weeks in Bala.
After 16 days.
16 days in Bala. So, which day ka ku yise kaman ka yuel tim za handa banza no shapuluma. Or what happened?
This regret day ma ko nyame. Every day is a regret for you when at the time it like with mebel ni ipiam.
Okay.
Kana nche like the Anthony
okay.
Ma number TV. TV biela ni katu yunda.
Okay.
Everything.
Oh, okay. Then that's on a good one, man. All right.
Yes,
so
bendiru ngwa ko tune regime marana yang.
Okay, but transfer ka bendiru go din pena kati. Okay, so now, I mean, Anjiango, ayetene kaman, did you get a fair trial at the court? Be achan remind halka be vehicle pune before ka charges ma na kanama ale kama charges ma judgment ma za hana pass ma adalcin nan ya kotu ma pune
man sane Ben Shakan was okay, was on point. Other tira no ya.
Okay.
Maybe I am maybe Shasonian like personal, come maybe against come my prosecutor want to man the phone. Yes, I don't want to man yell. One phone couple. So maybe one car could be a queen this day for a quote to the bed. Judge one by me, I usually man. So like there was a fair. Ben Shakam and a high carton. I was okay and. Then chance your mark and you can know the treat my well and even can feel it come and but consider and need salamba me can feel it come and even though it's against the state even by Suyel can feel it come and no I have a consider because trial and maybe our teacher on court money it wasn't like Zable Anto
because the woman in the case more than that. I mean the judgment that pass here court man going back come and you are now a free person.
I was pleaded guilty and I was jailed. Yeah.
Okay, so that's one.
So I was jailed for 2 years.
Okay.
And babu the la jail ma bambo ntam den yul ma so they ka you a fine of 7,200.
2 months or 2 years?
2 years.
I'm Pierre Jariana, you may
and 2 years. Be 7,200.
Be 7,200.
Yeah.
Wow. So copy then. Copy cash for now.
Man now could be when the BD bash and it was
okay. 2 years or you pay 7,000.
Yeah.
And then you larma and then okay, then your case is dissolved. The Panama. Wonderful. Very wonderful. And that's the reason why you are now a free man and you are okay. Okay, very well. Temen Abdul Basit culture pohan yuru tabma and of course ex-convict mbema equal mbema. I mean issue sheldon da kunang ka yeto ada yina de punama. I mean unte de punu nyanya. Uminira buhamba shabi don to ni selisham then ko share with us ma. Yala anema na ba haba bang de shabo ni nirme no gure te lunchi I chino so habo I poxerme di partial ngunde nye experientiellement te banda bisa mobile online you know he's now a better person now achang from police station to remind and then carry a sentence then can you are you lore ka ba hada punama la procedure ma de malama be de sama
Matters okay yeah in the point yeah then yet to agoye I believe in Piahmadan Yala media yet.
Okay.
So my personal life high man the media one can come at me year shake out of Piama we can maybe didn't you like remind me prison wins sang the tabla as a record.
Okay.
Here the yellow achievement in your camp.
Okay.
Now clear mind like there's a bit anyama the uni. I can man you have a lot to learn.
Okay.
And meet different types of people.
Okay.
Never explain never mount and you come on man you see there was being Yarabin man I couldn't meet us so bad maybe come on to what a phone what as I don't to know which you cook will be to okay you can't only sort on the car come la on you it's not sound mind.
Okay.
Can you sort in the car or biara like different types. So I channel like it's just a different world on Kunyel.
Okay.
I channel like continue ni selling them nebisha.
Yeah.
They like I need kukuka or like penny kaina. I am bound to know the tuna hamblama.
Okay.
I channel maybe banto chant to visit prisoners. I am in Pierre they don't do ma.
Yeah.
Prison come them be share pull come. Be in your flame. They don't do ma I am but no my branato could not let ni self fit can talk shakurum. So never my lamina.
Okay, really?
I could hear title now you paakaula. At a pana from I am share prison ma. Nasil mama. Ansel mama pima. I mean inmates come in for bearing whether you are a minister is
wow.
So another reason that
wow.
I want to check I prison.
Yeah.
I am Pierre do me. I visit the shop Shasel mama. Tanakana cope with Nimvosia Bambira.
Wow. And that's it has made you a better person.
Yeah,
okay. Animal near na atom radio tuma. Ndupumbo halima bad.
Yeah.
As in regress. Animal near na atom.
That is my profession.
Okay. So you still go back.
Profession like Nisal come as soon could be
okay. So would you change the content of the program or you still go by that same content? Come on, how?
The content man cover.
And at the same radio station?
Then like for now, man exit for now na ka decision. Haiba ni en love radio so man inform my mama platform.
Yeah, of course.
I'll go
online.
solo for a while.
Okay.
Before can I decide on. Currently like not anything, it's just some personal issues.
The mala issue man kana did they sue the radio station?
Yeah, like radio station ndanye ben shahala puanzo be brat my letter shell kanyeka benye second plaintiff.
Okay.
Brat my letter shell second ka the gwaza bien.
So ula kabanda no
mbenye state sue against the radio station. But brat my letter shell
kanye boga yulne be repune. So how come? Because they have not appeared in court. Benyin da ko jirbu.
Mami didn't kana ngo do wala game. You have the Bassett Quetre and they also stand as their own. So like well number one no. Okay,
number 2.
So require me back as I balance we are going to have Nila and Champuni. Okay.
So the station did they support you in that come on issue man and abeko to know maybe they provided you a lawyer, be come on in psychological encouragement, any guidance?
You see, I have no any been against the station.
Okay.
Station mad and yella bens denze kabo vora.
Okay.
And I was on bon vora say.
Yeah, sure.
So the station will favor you according to your version.
Okay.
So as the name Dagbang FM, I have nothing to do with it, but to be frank, from my son, like from my heart, I have some 1-2 people on Dagbang radio. I'm not comfortable with them.
Oh, okay. Yeah. You think they didn't support you well? They didn't treat you
well? You see, I can support. You shut your mouth.
Okay.
Yeah, that's all. I can support.
Apart from the fact that I supported them,
I can support.
You shut your mouth. That means that and having your support because I didn't support, but I didn't
no, I not only support, but some become my problem with so.
Were they talking brale yerla
like Shabra so Rabia I didn't start like they to understand TikTok member.
Okay.
One of the guys also been on that postal platform as okay and be like and normally I could be Michelle maybe that time I learned cover platform as I couldn't mean to be platform as well.
Okay.
So he started to speak some shit. Ini so kam ki kunye France ya por in fun kporo makanate no kanong like ka yar like to understand how man fun even love ma before ko kana radio on fun yar sham da nan bo kan yara insha kama hay no to por na on mi zo kan por man fun na mi to agar hala nirma mandati yo o nan o rat nan mistake biya kamiro in ko ba mi ben sha managing so ho wan sire iko ba mi ben sha
okay
the industry mun mazo mami bukata na jin bago in a way of financially
okay
me sha kan because ndi ben yara nni because onye ni so anytime ko min so bia ne la ni my team my program onu yen bia ne
wow
so the na don ko start not on public how ne be remind kati like videos na bang marjama and when that can I saw o yeto ashanga ko yara kama ko voir no yele karmangu mi yeto aza kama karniela ya nyama radio no onkwente na yero le motamdele o mai sheka ni kama ibo wa radio ama akuno me sha kan to ya bin wadare min daga an ma min wuho ma min ko wuho radio jingle
okay
o fez jingle bra ko zo min banda ko zo son ku jil ko nan some fertilizer banda ko yara ba I am if we guided you
okay
ka nan le
okay
after that ka yama na mala ma biso ko na yihila na on a kayu so I was asaka nzang le mixing at that time come from Nyen Abdul Basit I mix jingles I do produce videos kan zang moto ko ram bala changa ta bala ma bi ma yiran kana kan zang le mix jingle mata
okay
chang after that the 1 or 2 course ma mina bukata yang bata maybe I am no me shama or do MP Kaka min wa ka na ran so man.
You think
there are several be ka to so ma cassette. Kan be diga la be ka ku zan drive na kan nan me sha na. So kala nya don't be the first to. Ama vi kunya ban ka anything good to say.
You just
Drive one man kama nyenyela malaika di partial bi ku zan mina ni sesele. Bi ku zan ma mino ni sesele ko yi le son. Ka ne ba parmale. Ka she pionnier bane. Ama voix pam ne ba la.
Okay.
So
but the station man, I mean,
sorry for yeah. I'm just being emotional.
Yeah, I can understand it. I can understand it because
from start, can now mean but don't copy. I respected him on the platform because of one or two people of the management. I don't want to just jump into it. But still, then China when you go Kubier and the Karungas when you actually lahu.
But you have from the platform as well. But you have
I'm no more.
You know you have man be ban you have.
I mean phone like I don't
does it mean
change phone can
it looks like ban you have no kachango. It looks like
I don't want to say
the station has distance itself from you.
Like officially, like feelings, in my feelings, for my feelings mean bam maza land to anything yet.
Okay, in that channel court ma, but I could at least 2-3 presenters be management kukana. Okay, when in court, so I could be kanalala. Oh, I mean, Ntukuta, Chubu, ma be come here. The cookane.
In first, remind my dema Kandako. Nearby Gabna Kana CID office coming but it's the feel.
Okay.
And even after that nyala videos and Benka Karwana Kanzo Wakavaka they came for their old person.
Okay, they are presenters of the Bon FM but the Benkanani man
like I believe the Almanons coming by the feel and
so later
as I didn't channel no maybe Minba Zokabrako Kanama.
Okay. Wow. Wow. I think this very serious, very serious. Anyway, I mean this is like he's saying, it has make you a better person.
And let me just say this thing.
Okay.
You see.
Now.
The tono can you sit ka yetwati na yara kama Romo.
Okay.
Then that car appointment. Okay. That was why I been that car. I don't know.
Yeah. Any contract to work there.
There. You see. Okay.
Okay. Very well. I think that. Okay, we'll come back to that one, man. Yes. And tell me nyanya pumpung. Case ma mo den na hama. Trala women come and there's another one, but before katana le one maya come on dinin ka shirin ye come on the victim never so ye to angoma zahanu nyama like if you have the chance to meet him, okay, ananya chance to meet the victim atraya na mito
man try from before cover bama I mean after bail was a cabin and I don't know like you try to come so come so yen letter I'm poke up our yellow no bang I've no shall have to you but you feel the relief more. I mean once we are my
okay yeah
to a man also
okay ka yella sune no
so no ko gumle on come in zama chante to on to pa balaka ebe is shaden de Diego so ma ba paran.
Wow. Okay, so in case you get the chance to just meet the victim, there's a hamid in your soma. To want to bully you so that we don't ignite emotions or hurt people again. But I'm very sure that hal uton wumle didn't can you chance to meet him. Then can na yellow.
You see whether I like it or not. That publication of being having show in yellow to alpa carpa yel malama. Drop in champa.
Okay.
Whether I'm boarwe nje. Nko to yel kama dinye nero boarsham be man in yelisha. Manyam bakar the chandama that by effect on man and girl.
Okay.
Because there tag my life there tag man as Jingmarle be on reporter on bele pa be on no there tag male in the eyes of people and gare benda en yare to ashe po dra kama believe no kama ye to ara ka use in the face of the people. There are near flesh case. So like near flesh yet because
so the samyin ba
garde. Come here woman ora woman ya. Nyam G-face nang mari ser par ala. O woman kama ya G-face ya na ya ka dire.
Okay, so the samyin yulga gare.
Yema na rabo Russia.
Okay.
But for the sake of media mean feelings. Mbenye anything na lose cardinal bien compare men la ni no na lose wen sha. Cardinal very valuable kan mboar na balanzan kama ya de samen yule garo yulma. Mpala kama hana zo before ka ba mama fun la video at the end.
Okay.
Ka yele Abdelbasit Kwetire for the family of Zala and the family.
Okay.
I apologize deeply for like la message and Rayel. Maybe cover me the real source ka yele ma. Ndapun no abet as an young then come born me no meet kan yele to.
Okay.
Because ni yare to ashema I try and meet to ka abe ni anakutonyo akutono kama halin da ti yele ma bi so ma biya yeto alma laban sha'o. It's a damage here cat sokutonya then yala wave.
Okay.
Waham benen yala airways garano and the only thing then the toya no yala the same year to ama.
Yeah.
And October bantala haiti.
Yeah. No more imana la ni.
Abang lesa.
Yeah, sure.
October bantala haiti because mben ma mala cadre de mala measurement. So let me meet him.
Okay.
Check like my mbuano ndi ofira.
Okay.
Kayo what anyama bon project le on wo dunia be on project le wo hashambe. Be the real nyala wo. Ami son to psil kanye demba at the end kinye semnama.
Yeah, of course.
So maybe yeto ama yelbe dal mina da pilla la yeto ama yelbe dal. Ben zang le wo hasham ho kana ze sham. Kan mina anye demba na tawa. But in my heart be on sohne. A day after di chambiala ma mina renye semnama.
Okay.
In la yeto amama kan to abinga. Kanko.
Okay.
Kanko kate generation to amama.
Yeah.
Anafsa shabra ko bufso in a time beta ko kane ya dipa bidebe be na won yiko ntai o mina nafsun sunu or da nyora ta o nyo staff and staff nyo suma zante dan wonte but at the end kan won tinye the biggest propagator be kartinya won monde musulen segate sheka at the end kartinya me won to pia na so
yeah, of course.
So ben shaka then start the me zo mo pa men yele to alon.
Okay.
You see the general aspect man. When you're victim mama pediring you better chance got me so to me don't feel other chance.
Oh really?
It apam nero pam yet guess here to an shaban
no ya magafara kan ku bol yulungo yim just because mborman ni understanding the purpose of this interview cutting yele shele mo zan because there was a victim so bien me kare nyo la ni ngo mi hal state ma yele ya zamatu ma yele ya dipa apun jela Abdelbasit kare nyala yer ma Abdelbasit na no shel ma dipa shel ayer ma ter la ndirma pumpon Abdelbasit kat bonu yelte la ndirma den yela on nang bu puni ora le me pabi ora le me je kan nang karatu nyu ala ndirma la ndirgo kat po bon ti yele so and victim mo donc de ba hiti so te paga ni yala bien me ka pretendra de ba nyua de ba tuma biram de ba filma te page te dala fa Abdurrahman Madaha so in case kat dala fa Abdurrahman Madaha wumda o dapala o yanga Abdelbasit kulchiren yerongo as to o bor chance no abor sol na amino anyu and the mala nirba pamban ko obo borne anyu
so la kamanya
to pumpon na yel na woni to akaba pagwa yarma to poham de so kan borne Allah bi yelti in case kan yelta fa Abdurrahman Madaha dan ka borna yelo
iyen yeto as Abdelbasit Kwetire the kunyela sandan tetale from money to Abdurrahman Madaha about video shebi onda anyeka yeto ashele yara about dama sheden da pattern mino zama abana yama so ni salanguna dan ko nan karne man da yarla ma da ba sab maso da yale video ne yenra yale to ashele ma de min ra chante labe mal shel maza na on yibe lo like when now no be subshare na pago be now you be lo no you male hal in la young percentage sa ka te lab te non san like at lab te yel young na kala nyele de be nku bukata now me ye ne like 10 years share ma ka use hal la young percentage sa ka te la man karamin dunia za ka te mole ya zala nan lango de ka bukata.
Yes, that's true.
And ni sana to years ngo ka bi ana ka yele ngoma da zo ya pam ka nda tum sanda no ma ka nirba pam yele ya ne ngomba bwana da chiho le especially te tiktokers bam bere na pam ka anda ampun yele ka shapun wumle changma ha boyen na kan yele nda yele oyeto ama biane shapun wum chang.
Okay.
Di nyela a zamani shapun wum chang ka blan wum sanda no ma di en tuntuma la no nyele kar nyela de nga la jifse ne yare to an sa she ka ne so mo mo no she bo wum la na tam de sanda no be wum la na yar sa afia le she ma it's very possible ami kulba buar na raze ya non tuo ma hale.
Okay, ma na tuo mo aba male.
Thank you. Ira yare to abia biar po as the face kan ta kati a the face na yare to ashamblan yare nda ba mi maka yare ma as ni the face mbo bandin yanche ka ze ya no ara yele ara pun ye this aya man ngunda yele ngo mai pa bor nan yele gula lankan mi ro bor na pan yele la this anya ni pa bor na aya na ra bian ma kan yin mboro hale
okay
man da yele ngo ka ta kana different yara nda ya be dala no wala kala be ntum tale nan da gafara kan shi ya nan da yele next time an len ngo yes next time to yele be this anya ni pa bor ma because den nan kan de zene yele ngo de nyun zene pa yele ngo ndo bolivia na ar maliko ar buar na nya ya de pa go gwa be re nan hanan ti yele so ite ka te yihero ngwe sambe yele non gafara antum ta kai na ko perse da ba tunu ngo kama shi ba da tunu ba no like dumbe nyoba.
So that means ibonin kura be kama na sanzel ma I mean just beyond an yar shel ngo ne beto mru ne asu ne yeto ashel an yar
ya te pa te chang le pa.
Okay,
te pa ga fa na ma nin kura so kam donc mi ka so ma vine nirba ka so ma vine o family.
Okay,
te pa ba na timin ba di fila.
So you mean about wom shele I mean as in positive
as a tenji ngo la la to ama ya alamang ba ya some way.
Okay,
kan yala decision ma decider ma nrata because I na be under one so I na be under students. So I believe bandu amin ban so any outcome ka be kana in favor am. So regarding be mean ba no gba sham mean be yar sham I believe now in Europe.
Okay,
second the me check in yar second plenty later share.
Yes, of course trala ni ko to bang karala wo na kama eden
katimin ba je fe ko adma nda punya against
the state ndena ko bor man bank command even if there was no court case against you from him arkumali na atam la sandan man no
kama ni yara to ashen last second program the court case that can ben shamira kan yara da kama fun
la program o yara kama no. Okay,
hadin da ce kan buto on declare o benang be ngo za hanyam bala second benwa sahaza high police means so kam drana be court. So hala la time anda ku kalen la ben sharan nan kale asadin na be court tem chance for police mean security ne for ben shar.
Okay, yes, now there's another I mean court case and lele den ngo mini yirna shelma pumpon the victim mamanga then da ku jende so then da nwa so ma ngban kana with another one ma, so we'll be looking at that one ma, and then kana tele nyanya yes lesson den ka amala be advice den ka amal na azanti especially yes TikTok content creators TikTok content creators den ka Abdel Basit mal no yelba. And again radio presenters ban be po hamzo be TV presenters ban biane I mean hankal den be den ko mal no yelba di pashal den pangu ngoma be okay onna mal ni no tweno ngoma karbelan pago be de pa ma bilen ban pombe radio ma puni ya. And again nimfo shaban ko yeh bezo zane ka big bang mang puni ka be shawara puni ni yel shal den pago karnye danguma bu mo mal go tele. That's what we'll be looking at next time when we come back on the radio. But you can napuka pan production na anga fara kaneli Ahmed ko mi bi ngumbe MC arma make sure come and be shakam chen fen yelenga. Tekanti ga ya netamin Abdel Basit culture te pohan yuru tabma the experience the lessons learned from issue shanga onda twenama and ne pun yale rula de sane. Okay, ne pun yale tin le nyanya. I mean two things. There was another court case kana tinyanya advice shell ummala be sasu shell ngun imal no ozanti la content creators ngoma Albasit pumpon tralanya another court sermon karanyala pumpon from Mba Abdurrahman mi pulunda balama inura atwale he responded to it. Okay. Okay. So they rula le mbon ma fen yanga o ai nyama abdi mandru yo ai de ko kanna ai la ya ga dira mandru now so ai
tra responde ya.
Okay. Okay. Don't want to be born in Chiripuni. I mean, because the beginning and the end of it, Maza Hanyala Sandane. I'm not sure that you can even stand them in court. I mean, by Piam Kutuni, I'm not sure you are ready for it. The Misa Hanyala Sandana. Now, content creators. I mean, Pumpung, social media is very alive. I mean, radio, Karalang, very, very alive. Kabatatu young guys got the Biripuni. I mean, first, and I let me TikTokers. Sasu good didn't come na yelba. Maybe some of them can think that I could do Sasaba. But lesson than card Alene.
You see, I can't really TikTok mean content creators.
Okay.
Per se shell and tune of a tabula. Tabi tired and to control situations, Maza.
Okay.
You know, one can be TikTok or perception yama come on TikTok taka nyam. Ka ngarji face followers.
Oh, likes ngomi followers ngomi.
Then on your TikTokers, majority of them then you taka. So you might see come on issue no to kana. Kaji face yelle TikTok so. Kanya kakalos chantok pa. And repeat the same thing. Ka anya ka DJ yakaza kwa onga like in the same thing. Kanya kan walk in the same thing. Kanya like hello but neither lava man over address.
Okay.
But because of the my share TikTok my like every time ben share trend. So then you trend ma the too many content mean a mine on year on trend.
Okay.
But eto trend on nyene.
Yeah.
But pyongo so come do la trend. Then to ko jia like ngon na chena. Hala to kunya kara share no waron to pa eto. Maybe sound share ben shao kama kanya manu ka vri pyar yin yar. Anto nye so ko ku baji yin to go yelo. Ka kunyo di pa vetin ko chena target be join shaka.
Trend share nonda.
Kama so ju ko na chen no te zana na ngorgan ne mazal. Bajar bialango kanye kama issue mo kuyala hale ka payments te kana payments na ka TikTok ko kuyala hako o long to ko data karnyala manet payments debo online kar pasel minga kan sab diele ntum la social media tuma ka diele de piam TikTok mama ma 2017 2016 ka TikTok to that time za man page ma 20 will dem bien yunche that time YouTube point raman la ora
okay
di ma social media so.
Okay.
Facebook no ma Facebook ni on qualify no be pa you attention on qualify ma gar ha ba chana kama Facebook then I will remember no active Facebook TikTok the page come them better large than that kun for fun. I'm not a person like I'm work fan over no. So advice them balama.
Okay.
You don't just have to because of followers.
Yeah.
No you right to share.
Yeah, of course.
Ato kun so aka so ku di wahala ka si aya maybe on talk at meet G face. Nzongo TikTok accounts babla.
Okay.
Maybe I'm a friend. I'm one me page ma as ko onye followers. You see TikTok come na kaso come actually into check our design so come the celebrities
of course
be kardeshi adrenyala normal thing kamane ya na nye TikTok user ka kunye follower follow your trend follow your entertainment you atonye so oji den number atonye so face la whole face kama ko okuzama ma TikTok ben shao kare ka
obalila irin
celebrity ka kunye so ka responsible person ba responsible person kama kare ben no mind shambelo tena TikTok show ba my followers TikTok ko biya maka Facebook na ko any social media
you need
social media karpenya as a follower like me do like Facebook account no that I entertainer ma it's not important that I be TikTok the two na my followers you should have followers karfeche the way to TikTok like investor no that ka me then year na share
so most of the guys they don't
100% ban
so kampale la celebrity so halko yara no na bora na nyu yomo ko no movie kan you so ko
like tap like my page and what you see so
they should focus on
so focus man nyam TikTok pure kan wota ka nyam no my followers ko post van karanye views kala min yetan non la kon akpam Antonio so ka bia na TikTok so ko ba contents pa ko no something kan it ayun ko ya it ayun ya man in the accounts no once can deceive anybody so kan like just for fun there was this MTN Zone bundle ka yele kan ko ka ti ye bi patani ko ka to ko ma chena te dal ka lenya la donate for National Cathedral just for fun da ko nyela so ko kan to fe wati account ti yela mba ji face ye to ama kan like ni ya ta divert na kana ko yela som jaram shela ka kunyo kama nku nan ban hala ka ta kunye so ko di fila ma kan ya ngon di fila ma tan yela kama ji face an yan yele to akan ye problem sha non magafara excuse me en islam ma bi kama yaki ne yelle nyam ho yelle o ko yelle ka bi o basi
of course
so kama kan nyam ho yelle to ashele ka nyenji face ko kwasa ha no chanta bag phone yelle to ashele the same mama like 10 yelle to ashele aku pan la contents ne to me left and right just aku kana accusing ni right kan kana maybe high so be pa ambassador I chanta download o photo no be yara me para contents so no boy kan ni download o share na parma tena mi no on biadu katana nan mpon na wona kama nan advert to ka bier na ka dielo kan ina zon o contents para kan marje no na kunya ka ti ya be ka kola na ti die ben sha so ata kunya yellen kullu haran hay ka ba haya
that's on the TikTok
kama last thing it's not an achievement kan ko gente ya tena nga this time to menji face ka so yar ma mi no to aman color no face to face for what achievement the same year amlo number ipa color ma tena malo on numbers kan nga music video to ka edited kara kwa and generate fans to kan I don't to have shana maybe can misconceptions ka am da yebra bint boy will my G face I regretted for saying something because me no my be how can me edit on to the tune music video to music video share bien can me edit so nyentia this time no to kuyara to share them better on call ro remember aba ala skin light akudalza 12 series
ta kwa jaranyo wo
kai kan ye chene ye ala tum the radio station ba the pese aba we yuara nyentun na banyana so ka to ko haji aka ban ka
radio did advise the sasugo den ka mal na azante sheba be
just for the fun part sia bien no to jin o ka se ni mwai to akati ya kantizan chang
no of course three emotions man has so to feel very bad and he's a comedian, he's an actor
so bien go gwa it kanata hype ya kama agbai ko ka ko shiro biera because man ni chang audu ilawe no la content share the mal impact not benefit maybe it will fetch me something for me and my family not for followers because the two never share na yin share bien har to na tanan le plus because la saratima na kana man da ai non de la analysis on channel ai nyeren gain followers here so issue maranda kwal manipulate room he don't know what he's saying so that to tahra de biak mo yedi to out taharme la do ma kama kayele like akunya ma kanyem na biesham an ba na na won izo onu panier so de biere ko kache yin yeso ko ko yanta bola ba yo kan ya no akunyo ba brana yo no chamte bo ombo man so yul ma shi you see ka to kunyo ka ko mato ni na there was now ne a nye so yelle bere na kama ba hayam no ma abin chan she ko ta adin orati na ti yar video chalo ra yi lo chana na ba ko yara ton kan ta tan sana kan da ta yara me ka ula bon amata lo ku to yele to ako long do tan zungo ko gba to ku yara ko long do tan ka ne no ka explain so that is just the fun part of it.
Yes, well understood. So radio me, I mean, it looks like radio bandadi nyelema. So then kamal na yele, I mean, the presenters, I mean, young guys shabam behind the microphone.
For my advice for radio presenting, you see, nero pamka radio idea, be reporting idea.
Okay.
Kara kyare to amana kaman, isan professionally.
Okay.
Na wumi to ale. Ka yele to alma yele mangle.
Okay.
Be the radio presenter come when yele. O yimna ti yele a. Haiman yele before ka albasi na yele ma ka yele ka problem. Be o ikam na ti yele a. Albasi ne yele ne bi akan yele ka problem. Ati en yele. You say it a day or two. Maybe example. You know radio pune the mala saha.
Okay.
Trenders right kan mana after 2 be after 1. So how ben shi ayin nan ka ti yele yelman le. Maybe when they be aswa 7 la may not get the chance to say the yelman shenye ne yelman. It's not that you are better than me.
That's true.
I mean yelman. So this I feel yelman a choice of words yele ka yele ya kama ndiro pamnara yersha. Now so I will real video benda accuser kama ambe yele kama be yele ma then ya aiden then when that post man yele. So a choice of words should be yele be ka check out ban ya room kan na yaron.
Okay.
Because reportage again I am going maybe a program not only Sunday ba kay to amana Monday you have to wait for your program up to kana FaceTime net yeah. So face ni me don't want to talk no da kana then on the my time so it's very likely can you report the real one but what you should do is after ICP I'm a real thing you come back and say this is what then the non breaking ma so for journalists come a profession ma as among le nyame even I breaking news ka bang des among ka kana kama kanko timintum ma bishia da break le kanela now you me the break me ko ni access to shaba kama melen kanela o bayra ko be men or problem so repela tra mala bad intention about someone be tra lo amne te dis of be te disrespect so dra nang ma tu sa shele ma report ma da nyam de me yele ma da nang de this same time
in program at time
so
you didn't even get the chance
to go through so dra ko nyam no share na kana ka info qualify service so kapte kana ne robata no hande ko nyele so kantana lamna ten qualify service la be ne de batai on de nyele so no ko advice am but choice of west I be radios or I use a batchy shanga batchy man dana to save ma from there I to ashanga bet I wasn't just fully wrong because Romo waden da shir nye Romo that ben shana ya ka shir nye ngo kanungo kamara family ka ba shawa kanu dranye Romo bet details man da mpale bet sa kuya ngora kuya be ka ba mi punya sama kuya
Sami mahale.
So
so
be ane de gafara ati ene magba na ura gata kadi so shabana ba triko so o gata me ka lo piaso ana sasen le mano ka zan super pia ma nyom wezo so ajumen karnieta fun fonira arrive non rompa because man to gare nchang kapte aji face na la fun kwarga aba non wan wan wo shi pia ma ka che man gata ka bo kwarga me sanye bo bravo so no bravo no trikana ka bu aka na ji face na la fun kwarga akwa kan na nye ka zan super ama ambe nye kwarga ka ngale be dinye che you make sure that as soon as the shirtu no kwarga pia so mi zan su
pia o ye suma
so te pang to man ka arranger te yes,
Abdel Basit Kulchere. Yes, the interesting thing is that Nirbadi o Shaharapam as to how o character o role shanga on play in movie di kupa comedy amade nyela mbalago ori be kama ibu no min irin agbo shinema ne irin aborma ham nema ori kala la hal acting punu ba o. Yes, of course. Hal nirba dio. That the feeling of punu. Sometimes you listen to someone, but you sal zenle ka amal piro su bi o pulni. I'm very sure that even from a distance, am bang na kaman ka yirang niren di nyo, ka ngumpun yar lala ye twan di nyo. So dito nong ma, I mean de malabukata na tagba piro punu na hankale. 0372095802. The reason chaldin ye chakang pokon wo nyala. Mbor man nyanya a hankale. Anang hankale bi awan no. Ayel you to ama yiro now so tell nuka kuti to an man no board so hashamba pumpon we looking at the way forward to board the thing ya bi aguma tin ya mal sham so anto bol na sanga pa go na nyeshali sang 0372095802 bol na katinya nya mal shel kan ba pe comme call de bata de bala ka to call fage hello ayuni ya kabuna
yes
naam
kawanga
ngwego hello
Baso la jana ndo kambuni jena komboya.
Ala jimpa ya nandi sogo.
Pome Abdel Basit kema.
Umda.
Kayula nena on maijana.
Ami ya Allah.
Ba onye wumsuro.
Naam.
Na uze to akayarama.
Naam.
Ko oye to ama kunyame. Nkambi. Yelle manera paso le kampune. Interview ngozo jumala naone. O cheka na chembimana borsham no.
Okay.
Amo yele to ashele ya.
Naam.
Ni yele na kututala hale. Ka duneti ise. Besa tama biere.
Okay.
So ngam ngumde interview ko so kasa ngumda. Ama ngumda. Wofale.
Okay. Okay.
Ba ka bu ne da ba ka ko na da.
Okay, no board. No man la bobe now.
Which I can buy.
To no bohole cat now qualify. Yes, I got it to 0372095802. Yes, we'll just pick the course. My reactions, we'll come back and we'll react to qualify. Hello.
Hello.
Pansola, you lay now. Good one. In few seconds, then come and Nazam Pabi entity. Naam.
Ita Ismana kana so kamza ta malawon falesa.
Okay.
Manne borne yesham.
Okay.
I will video map ne Abdel Basit kurchiri yeto afunda ko to kafu store ma.
Okay.
Wala will video ma so nda director hal Ismana kana mandaya ya Abdel Basit. Video map no mo nda na program ma. Yung nto la program ko I will video ma.
Okay, my production
background man
okay. Okay, sure.
The minute you also comes out, the young family near comes out and what
very well. Naam, tapaya. Thank you so much, yeah. Yes, of course. Tisa Manjala Majority Radio, Yulumbono Mohammed Hafiz. Toga Manjala Trendes Ride. Ayulne Yakabuna. Hello. Naam. Hassan, Joe, teacher ma, dan kamal na pahabi entity.
Naona barakana. Majority.
Ami ya Rabbi. Naam.
Mazina na wampa musoro.
Inshallah Rabbi.
Naonda hamambara.
Amin.
Na wamfunde kachu.
Amin.
Naonda ana bannemu. Kasa zanla bannem.
Okay.
Kwa hisan kan gashi para. More out from last station.
Yeah, of course.
All children netumu.
Okay.
Bashe ropa 6 months kalab mananga.
Okay.
Naona borsha
Labrata.
Ya manye ka nauma dahli borne mo sawa.
Yeah.
So naoni jika ubana dahmanye.
Ya Rabbi.
Also that's my action. The most must come here. Also, Buffalo.
Okay, Oba.
I think that new Tawaba. Palazo, no da palo. The woman of Mantama.
Samakusi.
Now that I'm
or you. The tone of Kaya and a Cabra General.
Bolivia and Dapat Cabrina, Saban Cabrina.
Oh, okay, okay.
Man, do a program.
Okay.
Like Mamoda Jala. That's the temple.
Okay.
Tama na mala ko siya dun siya lang. Ingel mami, present una home station na ma. Dago karon ko yan gale.
Yeah, sure.
Dozo daon ko ba na tama na.
Tapaya. Tapaya Hassan. Thank you so much. Yes, we are also doing we are also in UDS here with our brushes enjoying your show. I'll also be in town soon. Okay, very well. Tapaya. Hello, are you near Kabul now? Very well. Bonsoir Karabe wala.
Rashid.
Mbo Tapaya.
Kapo kulsira mama. Ayo ben zaaki nang ma dong kula kamaro kutulang mama lesson. Katerpin mama lesson siya.
Of course.
Akin ito asyadong kahabitin ito asyadong social media kaya siya.
Yeah.
Because okay, ako dito dan asyadong social media kuratan dia kuratan.
Yeah.
So they would like to bambal smartphone na dito bang bukat ito social media. Tingin yara siya. Tingin yara ito asyadong tingin yara.
Yeah.
Nung na kama example nyo example pa rin siya bu.
Very well. Yes, it's true.
Dito nang kanya alam mo dito tinadwal mo tinanya kaya. So no program ya ka ka program ni champion.
Mpaya, thank you so much. Bensurgo, God bless you all. Yes, okay. And producer no one last call, ruler no one last call, then we sign out and we get out of the studio. Hello, are you in Kabuna? Hello. Yes, Pansola, are you in Kabuna? Mbe skina Kasalgo. Okay, to whom the skina. Naam. Amin. Amin ya Okay. Tapaya. Mbo tapaya pambiskina ampuka pa amin banshia mazanha ibando wundu mazanha tapaya sanye twirula wow Major Lily Nash, Charlie, big ups to you for doing the monitoring. Thank you so much. Yeah, great Alaji Mutele for me. Yes, Major Lily Nash, big ups to you. Yes, Ibrahim Siso GH. Oh yeah, my mentor all the time. My mentor all the time. I'm from Wali Wali. Big ups to you. Lelenyeleka Muhammad Abdul Da in Bio. When I'm watching from Pavia Bio, you keep it up, bro. Thank you so much. Ngboba Yulimbo na Haruna Taufik. When I'm watching you live from Yapulumba Rula. Mentukwa Mimi, okay, Mentukwa Umbol Shapulumba, Raim Sterling, monitoring you inside Kakwayele. Big ups to you, Ibrahim Alasan. Yes, the trender. I'm watching you live from Ashama. Thank you so much for your support to our program, Accra. God bless you. Okay, big ups to you, Ibrahim Alasan. Yes, Wolman Empire, Puma Shaman Nasa Hatiti, Chakampuka Pa Amadou Shaibu. Good evening, watching you live from Daboya, Kito. Thank you so much. Aisha Abdullahi, quite a good afternoon, Mr. Face. I'm watching you live inside Accra. Great senior Rashid for me, Rashid Bopurana, Lelanjalaka Aisha Abdullah, Rashid in that channel, come here, man. We thank God because he came back safely. Thank you so much. Haj Anan Kumbo, Alaja Anan Open Call, when I'm watching you live from Kumbo. Thank you so much. Yeah, Sumaila Abdullah, Sumaila, good evening. Okuputum. Yes, very well. Big ups to you, Fuseni Abdullahi Nantoma. Yes, a very good friend of mine inside Turkey. Yes, we are doing the monitoring, the most relevant. Yes, expensive voice on radio. Thank you so much. Yeah, the Maria Mohammed inside Chicago, America, the most relevant. Afa, we are on our knees. Okay, Chakankarango. When Afa, we are on our knees, pleading to you for our brother. Please, Afa, forgive our brother. He has regret and promise he will never repeat. Inshallah. God bless you all. Oyinbo Maria Mohammed, US Code Program. Hassan the Sahela ruler. Tumpu kap haban comes and drop comments the money. Comments my galaxy. Uncle to Karandeza. Abdul Basit. I mean, I am pusher, but Nana love Dagbang Radio. Nana Beni.
Asad ma no could take a chang la break.
Okay.
So many chang break one now withdraw officially from the bet. Then like now could decide when not chang solo that like from mama channels for a while so that can arrange my thing here.
Then you come back later. Okay, but as to which station I level radio I never know sure. Okay, and the radio about that appointment be agreement in Abiyamin was soon.
what is an appointment and what is an agreement?
Shall be an official appointment, but I'm going
to
shall be a cabata agreement. Zanga content cannot be.
So agreement mean appointments. Agreement mean appointments when you're in official documents yet.
Okay.
But agreement la near yet the same way appointments.
Yes, there can be a verbal agreement or a written agreement.
No, Shama, agreements. I'm my appointment on majority.
Okay.
I use waves young mega head story. The same thing ka agreement even guest.
Yeah, of course.
You cannot get the same thing when you see.
Sure.
So issue it can yara G-face are the yellow agreement so talk to Rick Bole. Come appointments like and yeka driver because when I come in my management you say come I decided na come station manager be programs he decided no number show ante mabio kawle kama host a program so this problem be this kana karale issue I think the doctor nang kama din years avia the time majority is ready to take the credit kama the program but this program clarify she to call alaji be den nang lama she alaji no mi alaji mun mi ya so you see sometimes the between the year chankatan
of course I got it mun ka ko empo I mean throughout that issue ma nerve song apam I mean in cash in kind people have been very around
kama na puhe like uncle to push ka remember other na bar na bet like with some people but come from Alaja Yana.
Okay, Alaja Yana. Okay, Saka. Yes.
Saka.
Yes.
DJ Carlos.
Okay. Wabusuma. Shata.
DJ Carlos. Ne. G-Face. Ntopa Chief Nanagba Zobanopo.
Okay.
Like he supported with cash.
Oh, very well.
And tema bishop ka tubondo paro ne de mina vita mimbe bilwa bawa ka obondo three brothers we de three ka obondo di kunye she kamba ma ntopa chief loves Romino family Tollywood actors ma number in they supported ntopa the family of Kulchire family ma rally behind me in the hard times my fam to buy mother psycho do you know because and I never support from family and friends especially Malon to Yunus and to pamba probably a commander and to buy Samakusi Samakusi number for fun and but guess like goozing inside my goozing biana like family ma guess kana ce ta shishe ne ma shishe ne ma amma la ni shishe paso biyan su sarabi ala na da drink ka biye ba amino no meta ma ne ba ne yon ma ne ke sarka be ne chanra ma be ne ndiye ne ke sarka mu dar drink ka bu harosa ani ma like maybe 3 drink ka ida ko ba si ka wala kam na ma pushi ko to ko ka expensive drinks non je bana ma ai na biya tuba na kan kuduro no ngubla hal man da na biya ai sha tuba ma ni re ngubla sho chang praise ni chang praise wa na kana biya da sha na to ani ma to franka ai karanda sa ko so ni andir shango ato ko yina tre lama to ngubra ti sha ata tsala ai yina tre ngera so no ndanye support from kana nche motivators inmates in da bala kama member da be remind ma misharang ba so sule nirba pa inmates ma like chabra dir fi aku pa ko enti I feel ka to ko feel like home.
Wow, okay.
Just that also na to benda yoni ka shop kum ngor ma zama ta biya ta mini and
nara kule
ya de na ka 15 sa boy da sa nko ka tete de la store ha
okay no there's something I appreciate that experience
ma so ngabana bra euro bele yetu akoku ta na ripa chira shama banto bo ho ne no ku ne benzo on champu ne okay so no pungun kam da so I will be ga yera ni nyen selma the skip mame
sure
in spirit mpu ya ka papa
very well
and second ka fu ka pa victim mame complainant want pa pamba bambe yon bente met na so ndi jilo o yulma pora support te pam te bel masa
okay
kapuha aipia la misetel aje misetel mbe yenra no be shanda no be kora no be kara onda yes no be yelo nda no aso ngba ku yo nda no
but ora nang la be chata ngwa
oben yelo nda nang ben sha amora nang ben sha
don kunun ka yina on kam da nang ben sha de
yes
what I explain with the judges the paya that's okay
ipara nda no yare to no mi so ku mai to no bom ye ne ye me no we nta te ya yin wa ko ka na ya ko ye nyanwa okay
yes very well thank you so much Abdul Basit Kulchere tumpu to bonya na ngombe yin ka wum the program yes to ba Osman Fulani a veteran actor like that na baraka no samar ko se karbe wula labzoro da ya na actor ma punu ni kurama na resum sene bishi ba ni pa na actor ma ku chantu na borlo shi but wherever you are picking up the signal tell you wouldn't san hato puro ka paro so kama za ta kampuka pa bang ba program yo man kantanga and of course the lesson da na shelton da to me believe ya na sanda na ma ngoma kana tinya hale because tara pun ng program ma karbutu na ga den ka tilabna ta ba palma ta paya isolo ni gbobuni ko kalna ndi so go ta ka ta putin nin kurana tan na mzaha in ya parang lana albarka na ada albarka na ta paya na chala nya filta ka ka ta bela chan kantanga. God bless you all. Alhaji Abdul Nasser, thank you so much. And of course, Muhammad Mubarak Nyapto, Yitarla Nambala, big ups to you. Nzo Boga Chaka, so do any no caller. Abdul Razak Al Hassan, DJ Carlos, big ups to you. Abada Black Moon, thank you so much, yeah. Chakampoka Pa Alhaji Mutelo Yalangumbe Accra, God bless you, sir. And of course, Napoka Pa Iren Hamza Lansa Luli Kolabo, Chala, big ups to you. Wherever you are doing the monitoring, we are grateful. Yes, of course, Chakanyanya, Mubarak Nyapto, Babato. Man, congratulations, Babato, Nyapto. PRO for NDC Regional Director. I Laura Carapuno, Kai congratulations. Oh, culture family. Oh, you a probacalo. Abdul Basin the Tapu probacalo, culture family calom, but a last one Tapura Caparapam. But your last one, you're my trouble. So Abdul Basin Genovo Poca Kulku Yiso Zale. Total la puhaya ang probacalo Abdul Basin the Tapuka Papam, Napanga Nana Barcana. God bless you all. The Poca Pam production team, Alhaji Abubakar Sadkina Poro Parara. Yes, executive producer Mbala. The Poca Alhaji Adams, nominated head of programs here. I'm the most relevant technician. Big ups to you. The Poca Pam Muhammad Dokurgo Hatim Ruler. Big ups to you. DJ Rashid, thank you so much, yeah. And the whole band supporter, in-house and out-house production, my God bless you all. Tenza lepi, dobo popor no kanata nang zaya, o boxo ya targa kabandol na zang toy. Na won besong alafi benzan shapulo kan kanata toni mane. Marhaba. Marhaba. No marhaba. Nanandambi yesalama kabambo agar ko baga. No dirgo piangzo ka no za banga. Tama niri kunye shala kam yazan me yim kasata no kulon ko ula an ko man panga. Muhammad Hafiz the most relevant. Muhammad Hafiz the invader. And this happens to be the most expensive voice on radio. We out. Bye bye. Salam. What do you last happen? Obinyanya physical vision. Why kana unjeka sele lefsu langaru naru tubai asena ni kana unjeka sele lefsu langaru naru tubai kana unjeka sele lefsu langaru naru tubai asena you nang mayeda, kasu no yune, ya tu